You want to be able to access your transport planning regardless of the device? We present CarLo Cloud Services, the latest project in the Soloplan product family. With CarLo Cloud Services, we bring the functionalities of the transport management system CarLo to the cloud step by step. In the current development stage, an audit-proof document management system is available in addition to the classic track and trace and online order entry functionality. With the consignment tracking, you keep your customers informed about the data and live ETA of the consignment at all times. You can also provide delivery notes in the portal and your customers can download them if required. The CarLo Cloud Services order entry allows registered customers to enter an order, which is then directly available in CarLo. CarLo Cloud Services is a native cloud application, available without additional customer hardware. You can access the application with every device with internet access, whether in the office or on the go. CarLo Cloud Services, the modern cloud solution for your logistics.